Hi everyone, welcome back. It's nice to be back. I have for you today the shell disc and the acrylic oval bead, both very pretty. They were both from the jewellery upcycle haul that was from eBay. I have laid out some glass beads which I think may be lovely to put together on maybe some beading wire and make two short necklaces. The beading wire is from Beadalon, and this one is a 0.018 inch, and it's also, this is a 30-foot one. It's very good. It's a 7-strand wire, very durable, very strong. Oops, sorry, very strong and very good. So I will be using that one. Also, the discs I will be using. I'm going to use probably one of them. I'm thinking that I would do two short necklaces, obviously, but I'm going to add some seed beads, maybe some white frosted beads, seed beads, probably an 8/0 or maybe 11/0, I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to see how it works out. Hopefully, you know, they will be very pretty. But I was going to do the long necklaces, but I don't have the certain crimps that I normally use for those. So I'm going to do the short ones and then add a clasp. I'm sure they'll, be fine anyway. So I will show you those soon.